Lights, camera, action. To so many business owners who want my help but are just not in a position to invest quite yet. And I want to support their success. I will share everything you need to know in order to make your own video to promote your business. Make sure your message is authentically you and your brand. So make sure you know your target audience and then craft your message. The big question is, should you invest in hiring a professional to produce your video, or can you make a good video yourself? But the best videos and the most cost-effective videos are the ones that have been well planned. After spending 20 years in Hollywood, I now focus on making high-quality marketing videos for businesses looking to grow. Purchase the entire library or just the chapter you need for the phase of guidance you are in right now. Welcome to Klein Creative Media Video 101.